Class 10th, exercise 6.2, chapter 6, question number 10. The diagonal of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O such that given AO oblique BO is equal to CO oblique DO, so that ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, we solve this sum. Here we make two figures. First, a diagonal of quadrilateral ABCD. Quadrilateral, make a quadrilateral. Naming is that A, B, C and D, the diagonal of quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O. So then intersect each other's midpoint is O. So here given a quadrilateral A, B, C and D, ABCD, which intersect AC and BD are diagonal intersect at a point O. Here to prove A, B, C, D is a trapezium. So ABCD is a trapezium. Construct and to prove, construct here, draw a line EO parallel to DC. So here EO, which is proportional to theorem. Solution, we make again a figure this, so we easily understand this question very easily. Here we meet diagonal each others, so EO name is A, B, C and D. Here we look EO parallel to AB in a triangle DAB. So here DE parallel to EA and DO parallel to BO. Basic proportionality theorem. the theorem equation number first. Here equation is equation number first. Again ratio proportion. Here EA oblique ED and AO oblique CO. Here rational proportional, basic proportionality theorem, also basic proportionality theorem. So we ED oblique EA and CO oblique AO is a reciprocal ED upon EA and ED upon EA and CO oblique AO. So here equation is second. Here comparing the DE oblique EA and DO oblique BO, and same case ED oblique EA and CO oblique AO, which is equation 1 and 2 we compared from comparing equation first and second. So equation first and second. Here DE EA and ED and EA both are same, so we change here DO oblique BO is equal to CO oblique AO, both are equal. So here AO CO oblique AO and DO oblique BO from equation first and second. So here ratio proportional CO upon AO and DO upon BO. So we AO interchange DO, so we get ratio proportional CO oblique DO and AO oblique BO. Here CO oblique DO and AO oblique BO interchange, and here CO oblique AO and DO oblique OB, the ratio proportional ratio proportional. So we change here AO change to DO and AO oblique BO is also ratio proportional. So here we look here EO parallel to AB, and EO parallel to DC. Hence here ABCD is a trapezium. As proofs, ABCD is a trapezium. we'll look here again. Question repeat. Question number 10. The diagonal of quadrilateral ABCD intersect each others at a point O such that AO oblique BO and CO oblique DO, so that ABCD is a trapezium. So given a quadrilateral ABCD which is AC and BD are diagonally intersect at point O, so AC diagonal and DB meet intersect at a point O. EO is parallel to AB and proves ABCD is a trapezium. Draw a line EO parallel to DC. Here ED and EA and CO and AO is a ratio proportional. So solve here. We draw a line EO parallel to DC. Solution: EO parallel to AB. So here ratio proportional DE oblique EA जो रेशियो प्रोपोर्शनल है वो DE oblique EA. हेयर DO जो कि दिस लाइन इज DE upon EA, so we DE upon EA, so we look here, this line DO oblique OB is a ratio proportional this line. So DE upon EA DO oblique BO which is ratio proportional, so we say बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थ्योरम. ये हमारा DE और EA रेशियो प्रोपोर्शनल है DO और BO से. फिर अगेन हमने एक ट्रायंगल लिया EA या EO पैरेलल टू DC in a triangle. Here triangle DAC again. Here EA रेशियो है EA अपॉन ED, तो AO oblique OC ये भी हमारा रेशियो में है. EA अपॉन ED जो लाइन है वो AO oblique OC बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थ्योरम के हिसाब से. हेयर EA अपॉन ED इक्वल टू AO अपॉन CO को अगर इसको हमने रेसिप्रोकल कर दिया तो EA नीचे EA एंड ED इज ऊपर ED, सो CO oblique AO. There is a reciprocal equation second. From comparing the equation first and second, the ratio proportional equation first and ratio proportional equation second. So meet here DE figure equation 1 DE upon EA and here DE upon EA. DE upon EA both have same, so here we change each other, so we get DO oblique BO and CO oblique AO जो which is reciprocal ratio proportional. So we reciprocal proportional change here the ratios AO into DO तो CO oblique DO एंड AO oblique BO. ये हमारा CO oblique AO और DO oblique BO जो है हमारी कंडीशंस रेशियो में है, रेशियो प्रोपोर्शन है. इसी प्रकार CO अपन DO एंड AO oblique BO को भी हम एज इट इज़ सेम लिख सकते हैं. सो हेयर आवर इक्वेशन इज AO upon BO and CO upon DO is ratio proportional, so we say EO पैरेलल टू ए बी एंड EO पैरेलल टू DC equally ratio proportional, hence ABCD is a trapezium. That is proof. We easily prove it. We easily prove it. We easily prove it. मुझे उम्मीद है बच्चों को आसानी से क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 जो है, जो कि हमने ABCD इज ए ट्रेपेजियम प्रूफ किया, वो आसानी से समझ आया होगा।